Good morning. So today we are going to do kid special. This is a special recipe for the day, which is nothing but Dora cake. Dora cake is liked by each and every kid. It's a very simple recipe that can be done at home itself. So for making Dora cake, these are the following items that is required. I have taken half a cup of sugar, half a cup of all-purpose flour, which is nothing but our maida flour, and half cup of boiled and cooled milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 eggs, and chocolate spread of whichever brand you like it, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and small teaspoon of baking soda. So these are the items that is required to do the Dora cake. So come, let us see how do we do the Dora cake. See friends, for doing the Dora cake, I have taken a pan, a mixing bowl. Just we are going to add 3 eggs into it, and we need to beat the egg very finely so that we get fluffy Dora cake. That is the most important of this recipe. So let us beat it well. It has to be in a very well consistency so that a nice fluffy cake is come. Friends, so as you beat the egg, this kind of bubbles has to come. At this stage only we need to add the sugar and other items one by one. So now I am adding half a cup of sugar, which is already measured and kept. As we are adding chocolate spread, so this sugar should be fine. So ensure the sugar gets completely melted in this egg mixture. Friends, so the egg and the sugar is blended well. At this stage, we are going to add the boiled and cooled milk. I am going to add 1 cup of milk into it. If required, we can add the milk later. But this is the consistency. So add the milk and beat it well. See friends, so it's nicely blended. At this stage, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of honey into it, which is already measured and kept. I am adding 2 tablespoons of honey. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. If vanilla extract is just optional, just for the smell. If you don't want, you can avoid it, just for the smells. So I have added 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So beat this well. Now we are going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So I am adding the flour now. Ensure there are no lumps formed and it is beaten well. So we have blended everything well. In this I am adding half a tablespoon of baking soda. So mix all this well and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will start doing the pancake. See friends, so this should be the consistency of the pancake, the Dora cake. It should not be very thick, it should not be very thin. It should be in this consistency. So let it keep it aside for 10 minutes. See friends, so I have heated the non-stick pan. I am just going to do the pancake. So you can see the dough, it's all kept ready. So I am just going to do first one. Friends, so you can see the bubbles at the top. So now we can flip it the other side. Just going to flip it the other side. Friends, so the pancake has come out very well. So let us do all the pancake in the same way, and let us see how do we do the chocolate spread next. See friends, so our pancake is ready. So now you can find it. So this is the other side of the pancake. So it's come out very well. So now I am spreading the chocolate spread of whichever brand you like. You can have it. We have a lot of brands in the market like Nutella, Hershey's. You can take whichever brand you prefer and apply it. If you have a Ziploc bag also, you can do some designs. That's all. The pancake is ready to be served. So I'll show you one more pancake as well. Just take this. Just spread it across. If you prefer, you can add some tutti frutti on the top of it. If kids like it, you can also have tutti frutti and close it. And you can cut like a cake and give it to the kids. They can just munch it and eat it. It will be very yummy and delicious. So we are keeping another pancake. Just closing it with another pancake. It's ready. You can find 2 pancakes, so it's ready to be displayed. So it is ready to be served and displayed. So the yummy, delicious dorayaki cake is ready for all the age groups. So please have this recipe tried at your home. It's a very simple recipe and you can make the kids enjoyable by eating this cake. So try this recipe, watch my video, share my video to your friends and families. Subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another healthy and yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.